Alltech Builders and Restoration is a local home remodeling and restoration company serving Chicago and its northern suburbs since 1996. Beyond specializing in residential and commercial remodeling, we also specialize in mold remediation, fire, flood, and water damage restoration. As a professional fire and flood restoration company, we are fully capable of reconstructing homes and businesses from the ground up, from all types of flooring installations to roofing replacements and everything in between. We specialize in all facets of construction. We can remodel your bathroom, kitchen, or basement, or put an addition on your home. From concept to completion, we will complete your project on time and within budget, all while utilizing our completely in-house staff of construction professionals. We are fully insured, licensed, and bonded. Call us today for a free quote at 847-541-1111 or visit our website, www.alltechbuilders.com.